Here's another one right by my building's entrance. I didn't see this one before. I swear it did. It appeared. Because it wasn't there before. Oh, here we go. Here's another one. What the hell is that? I don't know. That could be a plane. Sometimes they're planes. I don't know how they do it, but they project like a circle. Yeah, at the end of that, I think that was a plane, but the ones earlier, I don't think so. Again, I'd love to know what you think. Leave it in the comments. Could be the aliens. Could be the reptilians. Well, I don't know if any of you know David Icke, like me, I-C-K-E, the British conspiracy theorist, who's a prolific writer, written about 12 to 15 books. He thinks the world's run by these shape-shifting reptilian aliens. Who the hell knows? I mean, the world is so crazy, getting crazier that one would think so. I would never have agreed with him years ago, but now I'm starting to think that anything is possible. Anything wacky. Yeah, I like filming widescreen better. I like that Technicolor look. I wish it was clearer, but it's the hand I was dealt tonight. Okay, come on. I can see it with my eyes. Why can't? Okay, there it is. See? Okay, here we go. Don't mess with the light meter anymore. It's smaller, but can you get bigger? Can you change your shape for me? A little bit. A little bit closer now. A little bit closer now. I have no idea what these things are. I think they're kind of gassy energy. They can change shape. And if I could get up there, which I fantasize about, I'd probably go through a time portal into another dimension. But for now, I'll stay in the present. The only real time, people. Revenge of the linear thinkers. Good. He's turning the other way, this dog walker. Another linear thinker. Yeah, he actually thinks there's a past and a future. No such thing. Seriously, there is no such thing. The past was the present, and the future will be the present. So, be gone, linear thinkers. It is today, every day. Who made up those terms, past and future? Google it. You'll probably find a date on it. Who thought it up? What year? 1864. I don't know. We're fed bullshit 24/7. That's why I don't listen to the media anymore. See the clouds right under it? Yeah. That's what was covering it. That's why it gets blurry. You can't see it with your eyes. It's just there. Yeah, I'll let this play out a little bit more and trying to attract back my followers, especially from Turkey. I probably said, hey, this guy he just doesn't make videos anymore. Not true at all. Not true. I'm always looking for things. Like, comment, and subscribe because it helps the algorithm. And it's all algorithms. What the hell is that? Oh, it's a helicopter. Pretty noisy. So when I've taken some nice pictures, folks, of these twin green eyes in the sky, seemed like they were looking down at me. Someone said, oh, that's Apache helicopter. Really? Are any helicopters completely silent? I don't think so. But spacecraft are. Do we have that kind of technology in the world? We might. If we could all break into Area 51 in Nevada, we'd find out. That would blow the case wide open. If they actually tried to do that like a couple years ago, hundreds of people. I must have been watching the X-Files or something. Well, I did too. Yeah, I just saw another helicopter. I didn't get it in the shot though. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm sure you've missed my voice, my wacky videos. It was just frustrating. I had camera, phone lock issues, and I swear it seemed like it was pure clouds for the last 2 months. But as we are past the midpoint of April. It's going to be way better, more frequent videos coming up for all you folks tuning in. It's changing. It's small. It's a little more colors in it. There we go. You might have noticed I'm not talking to this sphere as much as I used to. First of all, this one is not my special friend in the sky that responded to my voice, my presence, or staring down at me from it. Does this thing have eyes? Maybe it does. Energy eyes. It is definitely something you can't describe. I was about to say subscribe. Yeah, that would be good too. But it's not all about subscriptions. It's about oh, here we go. There's another one. What is that? Is it live or is it Memorex? Man, this. I don't think that's a plane. Where's the tail? All right. A lot of interesting stuff in this one, folks. Just for you. I was going to have a much shorter video, but with the neat stuff, extra stuff I saw, I said, let me make this longer. There's another one. Wow, it's moving slower. Look at it. Whoa. Oh, that could have been a plane. Strange sights back again. Got some lovely, and I'm being totally sarcastic, chemtrails in our sky. Swing around the opposite view. We got a piece of artwork there, crisscrossing chemtrails. Look at this one. It's got like depth to it. Look at that. Look at that. You know, why oh why are people just mentioning it, even me, and we're not doing something about it? Maybe they don't have enough people in the hospital. Signing out. Check it out. Strange sights in the sky. Check it out. What is that? Is that? See it? You see it drop, and that, wow, it's on the right side. No, it's on the left side. What? Can you believe it? What is that? Oh my God, it went through the building. pretty bizarre. I hope you enjoy.